Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ewedu soup only way. Start by washing leaves thoroughly and set them aside. Heat a small pot with a little water, then add chopped Ewedu and stir gently. Use a whisk or traditional broom to achieve a silky texture. Season with salt, and a pinch of ground crayfish for depth. Keep heat low and cook for just a few minutes until smooth and vibrant. Gather fresh Ewedu leaves, or locust beans, ground crayfish, salt, and cooking liquid. Chop or pluck leaves and keep them moist. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of water or stock in a pot to prevent scorching. Add Ewedu and begin whisking immediately to break down fibers and create the classic slimy texture. Taste and adjust salt, then fold in a little palm oil for color and depth. Focus on technique for consistent results, whether using a broom whisk or a blender. Keep water minimal to avoid a watery soup and adjust thickness by adding small amounts of liquid. Whisking creates that silky, slippery feel while a quick blend gives a uniform body. Season gradually and taste as you go to balance salt and umami. Serve hot alongside amala, fufu, or rice to complement the texture and flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.